And in the meantime, we are seeing the Chester County School District as the first in our area to go against South Carolina's state law by requiring face coverings in schools. The district joining Charleston County, Richland County, and the City of Columbia schools, all defying the ban. As WCNC Charlotte's Indira Skiva reports, there are still questions, though, on how it'll be enforced and whether it puts the district at risk of losing state funding.
Chester County School Superintendent tells me that he has 200 students in the district under quarantine, and he's worried that unless something changes, he'll have to shut down schools and go all virtual. Starting August 30th, students and staff in Chester County schools will need to wear face coverings. This despite a South Carolina law that says public schools can't use state money for mandating masks in schools.
I have to balance losing state funding or losing students or staff to death. And so as the superintendent, I'm looking at the piece of I'm trying to make sure I can save lives.
Chester County says it won't use state money to mandate the masks, saying it has a stockpile of masks and will rely on donations from the community if it needs more.
We're not going to be using any state funds to make any purchase of masks for our district.
Superintendent Dr. Antwon Sutton says the district is still hashing out details like how the policy will be enforced. There are parents on both sides of the issue who feel strongly about the decision.
To see Chester County School District take a stand is admirable. I hope we continue to see more things like this in the future when it comes to our kids and the well-being as well as their safety.
It's not a one-size-fits-all issue for me. And I think that it should be up to the parents to decide if their children are going to be masked or not.
Some parents say they wish the school district would have given them time to speak at the meeting publicly before making the decision. The chair of the school board says it came down to timing.
The urgency of making this happen when we had 8 classes quarantined.
Chester School Board says it will revisit the decision in 60 days to see if cases have gone down. In Chester County, Indira Skiva, WCNC Charlotte.